Today I will be making a simple crispy fried chicken with homemade crispy flour mix for 4 servings. Please check the see more link for the crispy flour based recipe. The ingredients needed are 820 grams of chicken cut into pieces, 75 ml of ice cold water, 6 tablespoons of homemade crispy flour mix, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, and about 1 kilogram of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, marinate the chicken. Sprinkle half of the salt over the chicken and followed by 3/4 teaspoon of paprika powder or the pepper and 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix the chicken with the seasoning until well combined. Set aside to marinate for at least 1 hour. Overnight marination is even better. Take out 6 tablespoons of homemade crispy flour mix to a mixing bowl. Add the rest of the salt, paprika powder, and garlic powder. Mix until well combined. This gives the crispy flour some flavor as well. Alright, this looks good. Make the flour batter. Add 50 ml of water first. Stir to mix until well incorporated. Oops, it is not enough. Add in another 25 ml of water and stir to mix until well combined. Alright, it is coming together now. Perfect. This is the right consistency. It's still a little thick, but it is good enough for the wet food like chicken. Set aside. I recommend leaving it in the fridge if not using immediately. After 1 hour, heat the pan to medium. Add the cooking oil in the pan and wait for the oil to heat up. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir the chicken to evenly distribute the seasoning again. Stir the crispy flour batter as well. Add the sesame seed and whisk until combined. Alright, this is perfect. Pour all the crispy flour batter onto the chicken, scraping the side. Evenly mix the chicken with the crispy flour batter until well combined. Alright, let's cook them. Test the oil by submerging wooden chopstick in it. If there are bubbles like this, the oil is ready for deep frying. Add the chicken into the hot oil, arranging them around to spread them evenly out in the pan. Cook them for 8 minutes on one side. After 2.5 minutes, separate any chicken stuck together. Occasionally, strain out the bits of crispy flour or chicken residue from the hot oil to prevent them from burning and affecting the taste. After 8 minutes, flip all the chicken with the strainer or a pair of tongs. They smell so good. Cook them for another 8 minutes on this side too. Strain off the residue and discard it. After 8 minutes, flip all the chicken again. They all have a very nice golden brown color. Raise the heat to medium-high and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. This is to make the chicken become crispier, removing the black residue as much as possible. Stir the chicken to evenly cook them as well. After 2 minutes, strain the chicken out from the hot oil. Switch off the heat. Gently shake them on the strainer to drip off the excess oil. Rest them on a cooling rack to drip off more oils before servings. Serve with some sour spicy chili sauce. So crispy. Let's eat! Wow, so delicious. It's very crispy from the outside and tender and very juicy inside. Oops, it's still hot, but so yummy. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.